This is a Q6 Edge 2.0 power chair with a rehab seat. This power chair has the 6-inch electric seat lift that goes up, and it does have a rehab seat. It's got the blue, the sharp blue color. That's one of my favorite blue colors on these chairs. It is a 2.0. It has all kinds of features, which is I'm going to cover here in a minute. But the first thing I want to show you is the electric seat lift. So you will work your seat lift through the joystick. So you will go here. Right now it's on the 4th speed. By hitting this button, you go to 3rd, 2nd speed, 1st speed, and now you have a picture of the seat. When you have the picture of the seat, push your joystick forward, backward, I guess. Go backward, and now you're watching your seat lift going up. There's your 6-inch seat lift going up. You can also drive this chair with the seat elevated. Now it'll be at a lower speed because you are elevated, but you can still drive it with the seat elevated. Now that we have the seat elevated, let's talk about the base. As I said, this is your Q6 Edge 2.0, which is the newest in technology with Prime Mobility, the newer type of motors and everything. You have 2 motors. I'm going to turn the power off. You have a motor for this wheel, and you have the same thing on the opposite side. If you want to roll this chair manually, all you have to do is push the lever down, just like it says right here, and your wheel, you'll be able to roll the chair. Push it back up, and all of a sudden you're back in gear. Okay, so you always have to have the motors in gear for this chair to travel on its own power. You have very heavy duty anchor points here and here. You have 2 for each side of your chair, so if you need to tie your chair to a lift or inside your van, you've got very good anchor points. You've got 14-inch non-skid wheels with nice alloy wheels, rims. You can see the tread on the tires is fantastic. This chair was used for about 6 months. It was used, this is not like it was never used, but it was used for 6 months. But you can see the condition of the chair. This is the original tires here. You have caster wheels in the front, caster wheels in the back. I'm going to bring this seat back down, and we're going to cover the seating system. So now, I'm going to bring this seat back down. And I'm going to put the chair back into drive. Turn the chair around. We're going to cover the front of the chair. You've got a foot plate that's very easy to lift up for easy exit. You've got your shocks in front. You've got your suspension right here on all the Q6 Edge. You've got these heavy-duty suspension right here on both sides in front. And you can adjust these by turning the rings here in the bottom. There's a ring here. You can turn it clockwise to tighten up the suspension or anti-clockwise to loosen up the suspension. You have the same suspension here in the back of the chair. If you want to take the batteries out of this chair, they come out from the front. This blue front right here and this foot plate right here, all this comes out in one pieces. Matter of fact, all you have to do, squeeze the lever, pull the cover off. Your batteries are right here. There's 2 batteries back to back. They're group 22, 55 amp batteries, which will give you about 15 miles on a battery charge. That's how you take the batteries out. You don't have to decapitate the chair to take the batteries out. Just take the front, makes it a lot easier, a lot quicker. And then just lock the front back up, and that's how you take the batteries out. The seat, this is called a rehab seating. But that means it doesn't have the regular minivan seat, the cheap seats. I don't want to say they're cheap, they're high-end, but this is even more high-end. You do have a swing-away joystick on the right-hand side. This joystick can go on the left with no problem. These arms can raise up. So if you need to transfer from here to here, both arms can be raised up. Also, these arms can be adjusted. The height of these arms can be adjusted with this little right here. You can adjust the height of the arms right there. The seat on this chair is 21 inches wide by 20. 21 wide by 20 deep. This is a 4 or 5 inch cushion. It's a very, very expensive cushion. Nice high back nice large seat. So it's a very nice rehab seating. This is considered a mid-wheel drive, meaning your motors and your wheels are kind of in the middle. So this chair turns around the middle, so it has a real good turning radius, about 20.5 inches, or the length of the chair. So if I go in a circle, pretty much I can stay here all day long like this and turn in a circle and never move the chair an inch. So that's your turning radius right there. Now this cushion, I forgot to mention, you can take it off and you have your owner's manual here for the chair. If you don't like this cushion, you can put your air cushion, you can put a gel cushion, you can put any cushion you want. They are removable. This is what a rehab seat is, so you can adjust the seat to your comfort. The back of the chair, you can see again the suspension we were talking about earlier with the adjustable ring to adjust the suspension back here. You've got push bars on this chair, so if you need to push this chair, you've got push bars or grab bars, whatever you want to call them, back here. When you charge this chair, like all Quantum chairs, take your Quantum charger, plug it in the bottom of your joystick. As soon as the light turns green on your charger, you're fully charged. You don't have to worry about overcharging your chair, it'll stop charging automatically. So if you're looking for a nice Q6 Edge that only has a seat lift, but it has a rehab seating, which is 21 by 20 inch deep, very comfortable seat that goes about 6 miles an hour outside with the 6-inch seat lift, great condition. It's in a used condition, but probably almost new condition. This would be a really nice one to look at. If you're looking for a chair with a seat lift, I would highly recommend this one. This chair is very, very smooth. It went through the grass with no problem at all. Great power chair, very easy to drive, and actually it goes between 6 and 6.5 miles an hour. It was really going pretty fast going down the driveway here. I would say about 6.2 miles an hour is the speed of this chair. This is Marc with Marc's Mobility. We are a family-owned business for over 20 years. Thank you for watching this presentation. We have several other models available. If you have any questions, please call the number below, 800-677-6293. Thank you again for watching.